Prophet ﷺ said, if a person who's afflicted by anxiety or sorrow, if he says this dua, Allah will relieve him from his anxiety and sorrow. What is this dua? Listen to it carefully. Oh Allah, I am your slave, the son of your female slave. My forelock is in your hand. Your command over me is forever executed, and your decree over me is just. I ask you by every name belonging to you which you named yourself with, or revealed in your book, or you taught to any of your creation, or you have preserved in the knowledge of the unseen with you. I ask you that you make the Quran the life or the spring of my heart and the light of my breast, and a departure for my sorrow and a release for my anxiety. If someone makes this dua, Allah Azza wa Jal, the Almighty, will take away his sorrow and grief and give him in their stead, he will give him joy. So the companion said, shouldn't we learn it, O Prophet of Allah? And the Prophet of Allah said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, indeed, everyone who hears these words must learn them. This hadith is quite long and it is actually loaded, but we don't have enough time to go through it. Yet we would like to take what is mostly related to our topic, which is the hearts. So in the beginning, as the hadith says, the Prophet is directing us to say words at times of sorrow or anxiety. So sorrow is a depressing feeling you have over something that took place in the past. Anxiety is a depressing feeling you have over something that you're expecting to happen in the future. And this is what life is all about. Something that was done in the past or something that we're expecting in the future. So whenever you have this and you say this dua, then Allah would grant you these favors. Number one, whatever you have in your heart towards events that took place in the past, Allah will take them away. And whatever you're expecting to happen and you're afraid of, Allah would make you firm. And a third benefit and a blessing is that the Quran and nothing else would become the spring of your heart, the life to your heart. So your heart would be revived by the Quran. So you would never go astray and you would never be someone of sins. The life of one of us and his death, the happiness and his misery, the health and his calamity, all of those are in Allah's hands subhanahu azza wa jal.